Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at 3 side hustle apps that you can make money with your phone, and what I've tried to do is I've tried to make each one of them completely different. So hopefully if you're looking for a little to make some extra money online and from home, there will be something in this video for you. Now side hustles are absolutely awesome because it opens the doors for you to it is actually possible to earn online and from home. And once you go down this route of a side hustle, it can lead on to bigger and better things. A lot of the time I share side hustles with people, and it progresses for them, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you can turn this into a relatively decent income. Now also, if you like more ways of making money online, you can come over to my blog here, Not Taught at School. I share different content around making money online from home, affiliate marketing, YouTube, and lots more. So with that being said, let's jump into the first app on the first website. So this one over here, it is called Productstube, and as you can see here, you can get this over on the App Store, and you can also get this on Google Play. Now this here is pretty unique. Now they've been around for a number of years and they work with some pretty big brands, and how it works is, let me just go back over here, I'll show you this. This website here, it rewards you for making short videos about your everyday shopping habits, and they're relatively simple. So if I scroll down here on the home page, I'll just show you how this works. So you sign up, go to this website here, and you can use your smartphone or your laptop to sign up. From this, you can then start receiving invites to video projects, and you just follow the simple instructions to record your product experiences. You upload those videos to Productstube directly from your phone, and then you get rewarded within 48 hours. So it's pretty good. Now you can see here how you get rewarded. You convert these rewards for Amazon gift certificates. And if we see down here, look, you can make $50 to $80 for a 1 hour of your time a month. So it's not bad going. And you might be thinking, what on earth will I have to be recording? Well, we'll come down here. There's just 2 types of videos that you need to create here, both of which can be recorded simply using your phone camera. You don't need any additional equipment or software. So the first one is, look over here, we have in-store videos, and they share with you an example, and there's also at-home videos. So if I scroll down here, it tells you more over here on the home page, but we'll scroll down here, look, they share with you examples. So this is an example of an in-store video that someone's recorded. So if you just click on play, I'll briefly show you this.
I am in the beer aisle at Hy-Vee in Urbandale, Iowa. As you can see, they have a large selection of beer here. My personal preference, my go-to beer.
So you see, this isn't, there's no lighting on here, there's no professional camera or anything like that. It's just done using someone's phone. So this is an in-store or in a shop. Over here we have at-home videos. So again, it'll be somebody talking about, something that they're reviewing. Because over on this website here, you can actually get products, you can visit stores, you can get apps and websites and lots more things whereby they just want some feedback for the different companies who are partnering up with this company here. If we scroll down here, you get testimonials on here. There's a link to a Facebook page, and then we've got frequently asked questions. It's pretty straightforward. So how do I sign up? You literally come over here and sign up, verify your email, and then what happens is they will start sending projects and the opportunities out to your email. Is it difficult? No is the short answer. Which smartphones are compatible? Basically any connected smartphone with a camera. How do I receive rewards? Well, it is literally, you see here, redeem your rewards towards Amazon gift certificates, and that's basically it. So this app, as I've mentioned, you can get this over on the App Store and the Google Play Store. It's relatively simple, and look, this isn't going to be something that's will replace your job or anything. It's just a side hustle, and look, if you've got an hour a month that you can give up or dedicate to this, you can potentially earn, it says here, $50 to $80. So I'm in the UK, so UK pricing, that is about £35, give or take, up to, on the high end, coming up to £70. So it's not too bad, okay? So that there is the first app which you can use as a simple side hustle. If we come over here, let's go to the next one. Now this one here is completely different. This is called Peerspace, and again you can go ahead and get the app, and you can put, if I scroll down here, I'll show you how this works. But basically, if you have a space of any form, then you can go ahead and rent that out. And they've got some, you see here, look, book a unique space for your activities. So we've got a video shoot, photography, a meeting, a party, performance, pop-up, baby showers, workshops, and lots more. But basically, you can list your space over on this website here and you can earn commission. Now, from doing a bit of research on here, this Peerspace actually take 15% of any bookings. But come on here and have a look at it. I mean, if you're lucky enough to have some space, come on here and have a look at this and see what other people are literally renting out. And if you have something similar, then you could go ahead and make some pretty decent money from renting that out. If I scroll down here, we've got different examples on here. There's the app here, which is on the App Store, and then there's testimonials on here. We've got ambassadors and other bits on here, but it's pretty simple really. So if you, like I say, if you've got some space, you can come over here, download the app and just set it up. If I come down here as well, I just want to show you, they've got all of the social links on here. I wanted to show you, where is it? Sign up here, we go. You can sign up here. Where is it? Agreement. I'm sure, well it is anyway, I remember when I was researching this last night, they do take 15%. So it's on here somewhere. I promise you it's 15%. Go ahead and have a look at this, but it's in here. And it is a bit of a long article, this here, with all the terms and conditions, but it is 15% that you will be paying if you could go ahead and rent this out. So scroll further on the page here, choose how you share, how it goes through how the hosting works, Peerspace, look, they even come with liability insurance, and yeah, you can go ahead and get a consultation. How do I get paid? Important question, isn't it? As soon as you accept a booking, your guest is charged in full for our payment provider Stripe, and then host are basically paid via direct deposit at the end of the month, minus their, obviously their fee on here. But yeah, there we go. Look, how does Peerspace make money? We collect a 15% fee from bookings made on Peerspace. So it's free to list, but if it does go ahead and rent out, then it's 15% fee to these guys over here. So that's something a bit different from this one over here, this Productstube. The final app I'm going to share with you is this one over here. Now this popped up a few years ago. It's very similar to eBay and Amazon. It's just a new marketplace basically where you can go ahead and sell items. If I scroll down here, you can see what's actually selling on the platform. But it is literally like an e-commerce site whereby you're selling your products or stuff that you have lying around the house. If you do like this method of making money online, you can go ahead and not only just list over on here, you can do this on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and many more. But again, this is another app that you can go ahead and check out. So we've got 3 different apps here. We have this one here whereby you can literally filter this via all of the different categories. We've got this Peerspace, and we have also got this Productstube. Out of all of them, which one would I personally go with? Well, I don't have any space to rent out. I'm not particularly fussed about selling, so if I had some time, I would go with Productstube. So that's 3 different apps that you can use to make some money. Now, personally for me, I make money via obviously YouTube and affiliate marketing. They're both great ways to make money online and from home. If you want, a free course to go ahead and check out how all of that works, you can get those down below. I'll drop links to them. But either way, it's not difficult to make money online. It genuinely isn't. We've looked at 3 different ways today, and look, there's hundreds more ways that you can make money. There's many more articles over here on my blog. You can feel free to go ahead and check those out. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.